Forex, stocks, futures, Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week.
Hey ForexMilitia. Alright, Parsival here, and this is the Trademiner picks of the week, Trademiner 5.0, and this is the currency bearish dollar yen from December the 11th to January of the 13th, 8 years with an 88% win rate. Alright, and the stock of the week is Amgen, which is an 85% win rate, 7 years. But it's very low at this time that will be profitable. The probability is low. All right, let's go to the chart and see what it looks like. Okay, I have Amgen loaded up, but let's go to the yen. And here we go. The yen is right now, it's in a pullback. Excuse me. It's in a pullback, but it's still bullish. But it's just in a pullback, so we'll see what actually happens with this going forward into the next 2 weeks. And then I was already on there, but let's go back to Amgen, and Amgen is bullish, right? And right now it's in, I believe it's topping. It's hit some resistance. It's topping. So we'll see if it actually breaks out of this high and goes higher. Okay, so with that, let's go to the review. And right now, this week is pretty decent. I put some trades on that weren't actually Trademiner in Cisco and United Healthcare. And oh, you know what? I said that wrong. Some of them actually are. Yeah, there you go. Cisco. That one's going well. The Kiwi CAD, that one's going well, and United Healthcare is going well also, right, in this time cycle. And so that is a decent review for this week. And knowledge is power. Be power hungry and power to the people. There are links in the description for Trademiner 5.0, SeasonX, which is a web-based market cycle forecaster, and EA Builder, which will help you build EAs to test out your strategies. And so with that, this is Parsival signing out.
Yourself first.